How to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device. After that, you have to copy the link for that video that you would like to share in your Instagram story. So let's do that. First of all, launch the YouTube application and make sure to log into your account. After you log in, navigate to any of the video that you would like to add in your Instagram story. After that, tap on this three dot icon. Then from this drop down box, tap on share. Now you get an option to copy the link. So from here, tap on copy link. Once you have copied the link for your specified or preferred video, now you have to get back to Instagram. So launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure to log in with your Instagram account. Now, once you're on your home page, navigate to top left corner. From there, tap on your story to add story. Now you have to choose a background image for your video. For example, I have this picture right here. After that, tap on the sticker icon from the menu bar at the top. Once you do that, you will have this interface with bunch of menus. From there, tap on link. Now you have to paste the link right here that you have copied recently from YouTube. If you want to add the customized sticker text, you can also do that by tapping on this customized sticker text. But if not, simply tap on done. And with that, a link is now added to your Instagram story. You can expand this with the help of your fingertip, or else you can simply minimize it and place it wherever you like. Now if someone taps on this link, it will be directly redirected to that YouTube video. So that's how you share a YouTube video on Instagram story, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.